right, dude. Okay, so remember the video you sent me, I think it was in the wrong key. So remember C. So if C is right here on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, remember you got to find the octave. So it's right here, right? So now you have the scale for the minor, right? So you start from the C, C, D, right? C, D, D sharp, back to C. I don't know if you can see that. Let me move. Let me move a little bit, see if you can see a little better. Right? C is right here. Here's C. Right on the 2nd dot of the neck, right? C on the 3rd string, right? Because 1 is the bottom. So C, D, D sharp, C, and then move the pinky over on the next string, right? And then remember, I'll go up to the high G. G. And slide down to the F, E. E flat, E, right? F. So remember that C, D, E, F, E flat. And I go from B flat right here, before the C. And then C, B, B flat, E flat right here on the next string over. And remember that rhythm, right? Right? And then high G, because you're gonna replace that D minor diminished, right? But you're gonna do that with that high G lick, right? Or remember what we were talking about last night? But you see, remember, you can even try to see. I don't know if you can hear it here. Put it up a little louder. All right. Let's see. Play some music. See if you can do it with the music. Lower the volume a little bit. And remember, octave on C, C, B. Gonna the scale. Yeah, so even that second part, no hay otro nombre. You can play, right? So I'm playing. I go down to B from C. So C's right here. I go down to B. So I just go up. I just go up the scale and back down to C. So I'm staying within these 3 frets right here. Back to C. I think that is a harmonic minor, if I'm correct, right? B, C. So I'm going B, C. So yeah, it's like a flat, I think that's a flat 4, I believe. And then go up to the 5th. Back to the 1. Yeah. And then you can go up. Yeah, you can go up to whatever this note is. The D. Yeah, just 2. Right. So you can just go up there that way. And so you can do that also. That way you can fill in the gap. You know, just holding the notes. I'll put one finger. I messed it up there, but you get the idea. And then yeah, the chords are A flat, B flat, C, octave down, E flat, A flat, D minor diminished, A flat, B flat. And that's it. But remember, for the intro, you play the octave right here on the 3rd string, I guess from down, 1, 2, 3, 3rd string up on the 5th fret, the 2nd dot. That's your C. That's your octave. That's your minor scale right there. All right? Bless up, man.